Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my winter wash and go routine. Keep on watching. I started by washing my itchy scalp first. You can see my hair is so dirty after wearing my passion twist for 2 weeks. Once I finish washing out the product in my hair, I take my shampoo Miracle Moist from Aussie. I apply it on my hair, then I massage my scalp for some minutes. I love massaging my scalp. After that, I wash my hair twice with the shampoo, then I rinse off the product. Now it's time to deep condition my hair. I use Aussie's Miracle Moist conditioner. I divided my hair into smaller sections. I apply the conditioner and then take my white tooth comb and detangle my hair. I decided to detangle my hair in the shower because I was too lazy to do it before I hook into the shower. This is basically what I did to my entire hair. You can see how soft my hair is and the curls are popping nicely. After applying the conditioner, I tie my hair, wear my shower cap, and allow it to sit in my hair for 30 minutes. Then I rinse it out. I let my hair to air dry for 15 minutes. As you can see, my hair is fully tangled, and now is the time for me to apply my curl activator from Cantu. I work section by section. The curl activator makes my hair so soft and I love the smell. Then from there, I decided to apply some gels. I use HAIRSTYLES gel. And it was the biggest mistake of my life, but I will not say anything for now. I repeated the same process all over my hair. As I am working through my hair by mixing the two products, that is the Coily Activator from Cantu and then the HAIRSTYLES gel, I have a feeling that my hair was so creamy, or I can say it was flakes hard, and it was very difficult to separate my curls using my fingers. But in my mind, I was like, okay, it's going to be fine when it's dry out. You can see how my hair looks after I finish applying the products all over my head. Oh my goodness, it looks like I put some clay in my hair, and I was still hopeful. I applied some gel on my edges and lay them down with my brush. From there, I use my satin cap and tie my hair. Now is the moment of the truth. It took me 4 hours for my hair to dry completely with the help of a 30 minutes air dryer. You can see the results. I was so disappointed. I don't even know who to blame, guys. I blame two products that does not work at all. Look at how my hair is with all the hard work that I did. I have flakes all over my head, clothes, and even on the floor. Let me know, guys, if at all this happens to you, what will you do? And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be part of the family. Bye.